Understanding the Phrase Be a Lackey, an English learning guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, be a lackey. This phrase is not just a set of words, but a window into culture, power dynamics, and history. Let's dive in and uncover its meanings and uses. Stick with me, and you'll master this phrase in no time. The phrase, be a lackey, refers to someone who is overly submissive or servile, especially to someone in power. It often carries a negative connotation, implying that the person lacks self-respect or independence. Originally, a lackey was a servant or footman, and over time, the term evolved to describe anyone who acts like a servant to gain favor. Understanding the historical context helps us grasp the full meaning. The term lackey comes from the French word laquais, dating back to the 16th century. It referred to footmen in livery, who often ran alongside or behind the carriages of nobles. This visual gives us a clear picture of the subservient nature the word implies. Let's see how to use this phrase in everyday conversations or writing. He's always doing whatever the boss asks without question, like a total lackey. I refuse to be a lackey to anyone. I value my independence too much. Notice how the phrase can express disapproval or a strong sense of self-worth. To expand your vocabulary, it's great to know words with similar or opposite meanings. Synonyms: minion, flunky, yes man. Antonyms: leader, independent, self-reliant. And that's a wrap on Be a Lackey. I hope this video has illuminated this phrase's meaning and usage for you. Remember, learning a language is also about understanding the culture and history behind the words. Keep exploring and enriching your English skills. See you in the next video.